First at 6, a shaken sense of optimism in Oregon 3 weeks after the state fully reopened. Today, the Oregon Health Authority issued a dire warning about the Delta variant of COVID-19. The agency says it's now the dominant strain in the state, and they expect it to quickly spread to unvaccinated Oregonians. Fox 12's Simon Gutierrez tells us what the Oregon Health Authority is recommending for those who are not vaccinated.
They say unvaccinated people should absolutely be wearing masks and keeping their distance. Now, when it comes to masks, of course, a lot of Oregon businesses have loosened their own mask requirements. Some, though, including some here in Portland, have continued to play it safe. While restrictions around the state lifted, at Gluten-Free Gem in Northeast Portland, the masks have stayed on.
What drove that decision was the Delta variant, and then also in LA, the mask mandate is coming back around, and so we're seeing that as maybe a possibility.
Justin Condon says some of the bakery's staff are immune compromised and at higher risk, but he also wanted to protect customers.
We got a little bit of pushback in the beginning just because folks were ready to take the masks off and just live free. But once we put up some educational signage and we're more informative with the customers, especially reaching out on social media, a lot of people came out to support.
The Oregon Health Authority today warned that the more transmissible Delta variant could spread quickly through unvaccinated communities and encouraged leaders in counties with low vaccination rates to urge people who are unvaccinated to wear masks and avoid social gatherings.
What we're trying to do is make sure people understand that the Delta variant is quite serious. It's playing out significantly in parts of the state that have low vaccination rates.
Back at Gluten-Free Gem, Condon says he and his staff were a little disappointed by the governor's decision to lift the statewide masking requirements, thinking it was a little premature. But he feels good about the bakery's decision to play it safe.
We're taking it month by month. We're gathering all of our employees together and talking at the end of the month about how everyone's feeling and then going over science and facts.
And when it comes to decisions about requiring masks, the Oregon Health Authority says those will now be made at the local level, city and county. The governor lifted the statewide mask mandate at the end of June. Reporting in North Portland, Simon Gutierrez, Fox 12 Oregon.